Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to disassemble Samsung Galaxy tablet. Friends, if you are going to do this, please be careful. Do not use metal material when disassembling the tablet. You can disassemble the tablet with plastic material, friends. If we are not sensitive while disassembling the tablet, the screen may be damaged, the tablet case may be damaged, or the tablet motherboard may be damaged, so be careful guys. I am slowly dismantling the tablet with this plastic material from which I disassembled the phone, my friends. Of course, I pay attention to the plastic nails. Yes, the process is completed. You see guys, I didn't have any problems. I disassembled the tablet. Our video has ended. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.